Okay, I think I should be live in few in a minute or two. Oh, cool. Uh, Stream is up on YouTube. We I'm not gonna stream on Twitter today. There is some issue with Twitter. Who knows? Um, uh, I'm not sure. Like, what was the actual issue? Because I can't open the producer page where you manage all your streams on Twitter. So that's why I'm not gonna like I didn't get chance to set up the stream and it's still not opening for me. So that's where we are at. Yeah, yesterday we were talking about this function, right? Exchange rate. So for calculating exchange rate, we need function to get delegations, and for us to get delegation, we can we need to use staking and distribution precompiles. So let's start with those first. First thing first, I know we have this like we can directly import distribution contract from the interface, but we are not going to do that because in the testing we will write a mock for this. Yeah, we'll write a mock contract because we don't have precompiles. Or we can also maybe we can run a say node and just run tests on that. Yeah, that's probably more efficient. So okay, we'll do that then. Let's write a function called get delegation. Owner function, view are at the end, right? So let's write that view function here. Function also it's a internal. It will be the internal function. Function get total delegated amount, internal view returns u into 56. Yeah, let's start with importing the interfaces. Import idistr comma distr underscore contract, then source slash interfaces slash idistr dot sol. Oh, precompiles. Then I staking dot sol and same. I staking comma staking contract. Okay, hopefully this is correct. Yeah, staking contract. Now, as I explained you yesterday, what we are gonna do is we are going to first get the rewards, because the get rewards, then loop over the array and get delegation for each validator. So the get the rewards function, it returns this struct. We have first array that we can access, and in each array we have the validator address. So let's start with I dist rewards memory rewards equal to distribution contract dot rewards address this. Now we have that. We can create two variables, total delegation equal to 0, or we can just say total delegation and then uint 256 validator count equal to rewards dot reward this is of type rewards as okay reward. Yeah, now that's done. For uint 256 I0 I is less than validator count comma I plus plus, then string memory val equal to rewards I dot validator address. Yes, that's correct. We can remove this. We don't need I staking dot delegation memory delegation equal to staking contract dot delegation address this, and then we can say this part. Okay, this is done. Now we will say total amount equal to plus equal to delegation dot I want to check this delegation. It returns delegation and balance as amount and denom balance dot amount. Oh, okay, at the end of the loop it will be returned this is delegation. Now we'll return the we'll talk about exchange rate. We'll write the exchange rate function. Exchange rate, if nothing is staked, nothing is minted, then exchange rate should be 1. So for first we'll be getting the total supply UN256 total supply equal to s underscore state say dot total supply yeah, we need to change this. I do know that. We also need to change this visibility. Then we can say if f total supply equal to 0, return 1, else we will do the calculations. In the calculation will for exchange rate will be delegated amount divided by total supply. I just want to check, let me see how to, if I divide UN256 by UN256, does the precision changes? I'm just checking with ChatGPT. I do know that there will be some issues. In Solidity and how to save that, how to get correct number, decimal is 18, ether is 18 decimal, right? So that's why I'm using 18 here. Also, hello, the third person watching, hi, please do put something in chat. Hopefully you are watching. Okay, so first will be get total delegated amount into 1e18 divided by total supply. Oh, done. Exchange rate is done. Let's see if everything is correct or not. I have to figure out how to run C node now. C, C node local how local C node. Okay, do we have CD? No, we don't have that. CD CD C. Okay, C chain is there. Can we do git pull? C chain GitHub. Was the latest commit? Okay, if it says it's up to date, it's up to date. I'm not gonna argue with that. Say protocol, say chain, say protocol, say chain, yeah. CD dot say. Okay. No, CD dot say chain. CD dash help. Let's go back here. No. Let's try to run it. Hopefully it's running something. Is it top? It's top. No. Yes, it's building something. Oh, sorry, this is a chain. I want to stop that and check that file. Say chain, and what was the file name? File name should be something script slash script slash initialize local chain. So it does cd start trace dash dash trace is a, we don't need that. Do we have cd? No, we don't. Can we access with this dash dash help? Yes, we can. Print out full log level debug trace one info. We are using, okay, what will happen if we remove this? Let's try to run it. Okay, nothing. Remove this, echo, install. It creates the account, it writes to genesis file, and after that line 127, trace the chain with log tracing. What happens if we remove this? Let's try to run it again. These things never stop. Log info debug. And there is something that I'm missing. Not sure what that is. Oh, sorry. we do have, yeah, if we go at the top, how do we access those accounts? Can we access them with, say, config signature key body? No, ignore that. Genesis.json. Balances, it does give some things. I need to figure out how can I access these accounts, because we can't use, yeah, we can't use vm.deal with this. vm.deal will be, or can we? Ethereum RPC port. Oh, 8545. And this starts on, do you have any idea in the documentation? Should we just use localhost 8545? Okay, let's try to run this and say forge test dash dash m, no, dash dash help. EVM fork URL, and we can say dash dash RPC URL, and then we can say localhost 8545 RPC URL http / localhost 8545. Will this work? Few tests work, few don't. Why? Dash dash empty. Let's see the trace. Create withdraw request. Okay, and if the test passes, then why? That's my question. Stake total supply, that works. Here we are getting error. Rewards. Really? Okay, so in the liquid staking, now we are using this, right? Uh, where was this? Yeah, this part. And we are calling the precompile, and the precompile is not there. That's why it's reverting. I'm pretty sure of that. Okay, what can we do? Let's go through the documentation. Say docs. This was old one, so that's why I'm going to new one. Okay, should can I know we shouldn't try this, but that works. Oh, I want to check if this works. Okay, this doesn't work. We have to figure that out. Okay, let's stop our ridiculous. Do we have? I wanted to check if in this new documentation we have a way to set up local node, local chain. Broken link. This is a broken link. They need to fix it. Let's see. Governance, build, operate, node operations. Now we need to go here. Node. We can do all of these. Install Golang. I already done that. Say chain. Say binary. Chain ID. will guide you through selecting. Okay, so here go back, rm-rf, say chain, copy. I'm just cloning everything again. I deleted the old folder. Hopefully we have, yes, we do have Python configured. First, first, it's setting up everything automatically. Let's see. Maybe some colors here would have been helpful. If someone from C is watching, that's one recommendation from my end. Pretty sure they are not, but still. Let's wait for this to finish it. Finish? Yes. What happened? Yeah, I'm pretty sure we skipped over a bunch of things. That's why sync time we don't need. Automated. Okay, let's open the file. Yep. Open file. Say chain. Then scripts. And now run node py. Okay, this is great. Where do they access CD? Starting make install. Output from make install result or standard out. And it gives us something Excel. Make install. Can we just use this initialize local chain dot sh cd say chain run local say local node old docs. Say docs old. Okay, run local say node. Say local node docs. We did access old docs, right? Old dot say old docs dot say dot io. Nope. Yes. I, I wanted to check the nodes one, right? Nodes quick setup. Yes, this one. It is gonna build the whole thing. We need to figure this out at some point in the process. So why not right now only? Yeah, this is live. Do we know which how to access this, or are we even accessing it correctly? I have started a local say node. So how do I send transaction? How do I find the RPC of RPC for EVM of that node? This won't be useful, pretty sure. Okay, maybe. Let's see. Okay, this is node configuration. How many broken links are there in the documentation, man? Advanced configuration, control F EVM. EVM 4585. That's correct. Okay, maybe there is some issue that we are not able to figure out what's happening. So we should just write a mock contracts for that, those things, or we can test using Hardhat, and we already have the local node, right? Yeah, so maybe we'll try that tomorrow. Okay, cool. um, I think that's it for today's stream. I know I'm ending the stream early, but yeah, I also don't know what to do next. Maybe after my head is cleared, it would be much better. I maybe I can find some solution. Okay. Anyway, if you like the stream, let me know on Twitter, YouTube, in the comments, on Twitter DMs, whatever it is. Tweet at me. I don't care. Let me know the feedback, or how can I improve. How can I improve the whole thing? Um, Explanations, code examples, whatever I'm doing. Okay. Um, what else? Yeah. Do If you're watching on YouTube, do like and subscribe. It gives me a slight ego boost, so it's very helpful. And if you in in case you find my Twitter, do follow me there. And yeah, have a nice day. See you tomorrow, same time. You already know the topic. Cool. Bye.